What's up, nigga? Fuck problem, nigga.
Uh-oh, look, he get ready to call a team. He get ready to call a team. He called a team, y'all look.
Yo, come up, my nigga. Come up. Something for their ass, nigga. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. We're about to see. Y'all ready?
Y'all ready?
What you got?
Y'all ready?
Y'all ready?
Okay, yeah, word. We still looking at him right now.
Hold on 1 second. How I'm supposed to do this shit?
Oh, you Gucci now? You want me to switch back over? Because he outside now. He outside looking now. He must be on the side of the building now.
No, he ran out. No, did you have it recorded? You had me on live.
Uh-huh.
All right, yeah, he tried to get my goddamn license plate number.
Nah, he ain't gonna get that. Look. Yeah, he talking about some pull up and all this stuff. He done called Solar now.
Yeah, he went on his phone. He was on his phone calling people.
He on the phone. Look at him. He outside looking now.
He don't know what to do because I told him and I ghosted his ass.
Hey, look at here. Look, right? Look, his heartbeat in his chest.
He don't know what to do.
Look at him. He be talking all that shit, y'all. Look at him. Scared to death.
Hey, I ain't gonna even lie. That nigga ain't run though.
He ain't run.
He ain't run though. He ain't run. That nigga ain't run.
He ain't run.
No, he stood there. He came out.
Look
He
at.
came out dolo.
Look at. Somebody say this is a movie. He say breathing real heavy. Ah shit. He went from getting tattoos on the ass to this shit here. Look at here.
Look, he's scared as hell. He don't know when to leave.
He don't know. He don't even know what the fuck to think right now. He don't know what's going on. Popping that shit. Beam team, nigga. You popping that shit. You don't know where motherfuckers be at. Talking that shit.
Hey, this check is not chest. You pull up, you let him know when you dip. So he can't move. He can't move around. He don't know where to go.
He don't know where to go.
He don't know where to go. He ain't staying.
Look at him. Looking around now. He waiting on Solar and them and shit. Now look.
Trying to get out of his safe. Niggas trolling, playing games and shit. And like niggas just doing the shit for clout, but I will pop you, nigga. Like I'm not even playing, nigga. Like
I'm not playing that, nigga. I said do it.
He ain't do nothing when he had a hand in the pocket.
He had his hand in his pocket. I said, go ahead, do it. Do it.
Feel me? Like I'm like, what's up, nigga? You feel me? What's up? I'm like, why you leaving? So he started getting in the car and pulling off. I'm like, I bet. Feel me? Like this ain't a game to me, my nigga. I will pop you and then I go to jail. And I'm like, I'm in the jail for what? Feel me? Niggas playing on the internet, pull up on me. Are you digging in your pocket? Are you digging in your pocket? I'm like, yo, bro, like.
Talk up,
For that, though.
Talk up, man.
For real out here in Atlanta, nigga.
Man, talk up, man.
For real, you feel me? Like I ain't even about no games, for real.
Bro, we just want to talk to you, man. You done got mad.
I know he's trolling me,
scared and everything.
Games, but it's a real nigga out here, nigga. Like I'll pop you, like I'm not even.
Yo,
game, nigga. Like I will pop you, nigga.
Yo,
I'll put that heat on you fast, nigga.
I'm just saying though. I know, but you scared. You had to call somebody.
Like period. You feel me? Stay out of prison, niggas. I'm not even playing like these niggas out here playing. I know what they doing. They trolling, they playing around. But if you run up on me and I pop, then I go to jail like you die. You feel me? Like you playing with your life. I'm not even that nigga, my nigga. Be all the way gully with you. I'm not that nigga, bro. Keep it all the way real with you. I'm not from your era. I don't even play that shit.
What era you from? That's what I'm saying. Shoot the fade.
In your pocket. Got back in that car quick, nigga.
Now
where you going?
We know you the police.
If you see me, you supposed to pull up, nigga. You know what I'm saying? Like, where you going? You know what I'm saying? Where you supposed to pull up? Feel me? That's what I'm saying, man. This is on some dumb shit, man. I had 20 niggas with me. I pretend he had a gun. Alright. Y'all playing on the internet. Keep playing on the internet, my nigga. Keep playing on the internet. See what that gonna get you, bro. I'm not even that nigga. I'm a real one, nigga. You about to see in a minute. You about to see in a minute, nigga. Don't bring that shit to East Atlanta. East Atlanta, nigga. My niggas in Boulder Crest, nigga. Stayed in Sun Valley, nigga. Fuck is you talking about? Be your higher self. Nah, my nigga, like that is your higher self to protect yourself at all times. You feel me? Niggas being goose, that's all, yo. Play around this shot. So I'm saying, like, it's self-defense for me. Because you ran up on me. I'm on live. You told me to come outside. It's all documented.
Nature boy, wasn't nobody talking about doing nothing to you. Just wanting to talk to you. Now you on here like you about to cry. Why you on here looking like you about to cry? Don't be on here goddamn asking for sympathy and shit now.
He was threatening them.
You put on live where you was at, dumbass nigga. You said on live where the fuck you was at. What are you talking about? That was public information. We called to check on you, man. You done went crazy at this motherfucker. Look at now you mad. Look at you mad now. Look at you mad. You got to call Solar on them to come get you. You had to call them come get you now. Yo, pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up. You ain't got no tone on you. Yo, pull up, pull up, pull up. For one person, you calling people, pull up, pull up. Yeah, the video out there. We seen what the hell just happened.
I said CBS out my address, but you gonna pull up to my house because you know I got them things with me.
What thing? What you talking about, Nature boy? Look at it about to cry. About to cry. We waiting on it, taking them a long time to get there.
Yo, what's good, bro?
What's
up? That niggas playing online, bro. You can pull up out here. You feel me? I'm over here at Seven Landers at Little 5 Points. Niggas pulled up on me, bro.
Talking about what?
Shit. Probably trolling and shit, my nigga. Feel me? That's what I said, bro.
Like I thought, realize it.
I ain't even playing no for real.
See? Trying to get out the streets.
That's what I'm saying, man.
He done got the car, look.
Some weirdo shit type shit too, like, you feel me?
He got that motherfucker quick.
Quick. Nah, niggas don't know we on some real shit. You feel me?
Like, shit. Shout out to Greg. Shout out to Phil is what?
Where you, bro? Where I'm straight at, bro? Anywhere in Atlanta, where I'm straight at.
Shout out to Peace to the Guys, 777.
East side, nigga. East Atlanta, nigga. Crazy, nigga.
East Atlanta Santa.
I said, boy, where you going? Don't come out to Atlanta, bitch. How many niggas I got out here, bro? Shit crazy, man. Nobody own this shit.